Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Tech Prospector. Today I'm going to make my first video, and first I will introduce myself. I am a 14-year-old teenager who loves to talk about tech. I love cars, I love phones, I like Windows as well. So today I'm going to tell you many things about Windows 10. I am using Windows 10 on my laptop and it works great. First we will see the properties. To go to the properties, there are two ways. First is go to this PC. First way is most common in almost every Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8. This way is the most common. You just need to left click, right click on the icon and go to properties. It will show you the device name. My device is named Optimus Prime. It will show you your processor, it will show you your RAM, and it will show you the type of Windows you are using. Mine is a 32-bit. There is a 64-bit version as well, and mine is Windows 10 Enterprise. There are, I think so, 4 types of Windows 10: Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Enterprise, Windows 10 Pro Education, and Windows 10 Pro. The Windows 10 Enterprise is the most expensive version, and mine is to the latest up-to-date version. So this is how to see your specs of your PC. And let's go into storage. The storage will tell you my drive C, my Windows CE drive is 58.1 GB, and my total hard drive is 500 GB. So the main features are, you can go in Windows 10, you can go to settings and it will show you many things: system, devices, phone, network, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, game mode. For if your PC is very slow and old, game mode might work, but for high-end PC it does not make that much of a difference. Ease of access, search, privacy, and update. I will go into the settings in another video. So let's get out of the settings. First, let's talk about Windows 10. Windows 10 is a series of operating systems developed by Microsoft and released as part of Windows NT family of operating systems. It is the successor to Windows 8.1, released nearly 2 years earlier, and was released to manufacturing on July 15, 2015, and broadly released to the general public on July 29, 2015. So let's talk about the difference between Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Education is mostly for students, so let's talk about the difference between Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro has all the features of Windows 10 Home and more device management options. You will be able to manage devices that have Windows 10 using online or on-site device management services. Manage your company's devices with the Pro Edition over the internet or across Microsoft services. So this means that you can control the different type of PCs which have Windows 10 by your Windows 10 Pro version. There are some security updates, difference between Windows 10 Home and Windows 10 Pro, and that is the main difference. All the features in Windows 10 Home are available in Windows 10 Pro. So let's go. Is Windows 10 Home or Pro faster? Which is faster? Pro and Home are basically the same, no difference in performance. The 64-bit version is always faster. Also, it ensures you to have access to all RAM if you have 3 GB or more. If you have 3 gigabytes or more RAM, it gives the 64-bit version gives you all the access. On the other hand, if you can see over here, my enterprise version gives me only the usable RAM of 2.66 GB. 2.66 GB is only usable, as the enterprise version is 32-bit and it takes a little bit of more of my RAM. So let's go further about the difference between Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Enterprise. One major difference between the edition is licensing. While Windows 10 Pro can come pre-installed or through an OEM, Windows 10 Enterprise requires the purchase of a volume licensing agreement. There are also two distinct license editions with Enterprise: Windows 10 Enterprise E3 and Windows 10 Enterprise E5. So, is Windows 10 Enterprise better than Pro? Windows 10 Enterprise scores higher than its counterpart with advanced features such as direct access, app locker, credential guard, and device guard. Enterprise also allows you to implant applications and user environment virtualization. So this means that Windows 10 Enterprise is a lot better than Pro and features. Windows 10 Enterprise is mainly based for businesses and education. So let's go further. Which is better, Windows 10 Home or Pro or Enterprise? Windows 10 Pro offers all of Home's additional features, offers sophisticated connectivity and privacy tools such as group policy management, domain join, enterprise mode, Internet Explorer, EMIE, BitLocker, assigned access 8.1, remote desktop client, Client Hyper-V, and direct access. Client Hyper-V is the feature in which you can use one PC with 2 or 3 monitors, so that you can use only one processor to use different type of screens. So one person can be using the browser, one person can be using the browser with another tab, and the other can be using there can be different multitaskings. So is Enterprise or Pro better? The only difference is the extra IT and security features of the Enterprise version. You can use your operating system perfectly well without these additions. Thus, small businesses should upgrade from the professional version to Enterprise when they start to grow and develop and require strong OS security. And does Windows 10 Enterprise have bloatware? This is a clean installation of Windows 10 Enterprise Edition. Even though this edition is specifically engineered towards businesses environment, the operating system is preloaded with an app for Xbox console and potentially unwanted software. So most probably you don't want these softwares and bloatwares. So here are several I will tell you, here are some unnecessary Windows 10 apps, programs, and bloatware you should remove. These are 12 which are QuickTime, CC Cleaner, Crappy PC Cleaners, uTorrent, Adobe Flash Player, and Shockwave Player, Java, Microsoft Silverlight, all toolbars and junk browser extensions. You should remove these as they only take up space and you don't ever use them. So as on my screen you can see, now I will show you some things. This is your start menu in Windows 10, and I have put in all my these things over here. Power, settings, file explorer, you can see my cursor, personal folder, network, everything is over here. You can shorten these up as well by clicking on the start over here. These are all my apps, and Windows 10 does not come with a screen recorder. You can get a free one. I will tell you in my future stories or shorts that what should you download. Cortana is not so useful. I don't like Cortana. It's just a way to get into your privacy. All the apps come over here, and if you go into this PC, you can see over here your map, network drive, open settings, manage, my C drive, how much storage is Windows taking, and other files as well are over here. The Microsoft Edge is the default, not the default browser, but it is good browser for from Windows. It comes by default and you cannot uninstall it. I use Chrome. It is better in all ways. Everyone is used to Chrome. Now Microsoft Edge takes a lot of time to load. It's literally slower than the Chrome. Look, it's taking a lot of time. And over here is your notification bar. My mobile network amplifier it is used that if you are connected to your internet, you can amplify it, so 8 other devices can connect with it. And now look over here, the Microsoft Edge browser has opened finally. Very slow. And in the message center you can get notification about privacy and other things. And in the settings you can see over here, you can go and check update and security. Over here you can update if there is an update and on drivers or anything, you can get it updated from here. And the security, to check that if there is any problem in security, you can do checkups as well. And this is the basic introduction to Windows 10, and in the future you will get more lit videos from me. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.